Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In last video, we prepared pattern number up to 43. Now we are going to discuss about the pattern number 44. Sir, what is this pattern? Very simple. In this pattern, I want to print. In this pattern, I want to print. So capital A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y. Like this, I want to print. So 5 rows and 5 columns where I'm going to get all the alphabets. Where I'm going to get all the alphabets. So how you can able to print? Only you have to identify the starting value. Only you have to identify the starting value. If you identify the starting value, generating the next values will become very easy for us, right? Now see what will happen. I'm going to take from 0 to 1, and here also we have to take from 0 to 4 only. Okay, there is no change in the direction. Now I want to print the values. So if I am taking 65, what will happen? It will print all the values. So here compulsory you have to give the row value as a 5 only, because it will exceeds the data. But I want to be here. We have seen by adding the value of I or by adding the value of j, we will get it. But this row wise values will be same, column wise values will be same. But for every value, I want to change. So what I will do is, I will add one special variable called k, where every time I will increment the k value by 1 unit. What is the initial value of k? I will take 0. So when it is printing first time, what will happen? 65 plus k value is 0. We will get a 65 corresponding ASCII character. Character is A. Next time your k value will become 165 plus 1 will become 66, which will print P. So next 65 plus 2 will become 67, where you are going to get C. Like every character, it is going to print. Let me check really whether we are getting those alphabets or not. I'm giving 5 rows. Have you observed here? We got a capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, and up to capital Y. This is the way how we can able to generate this particular pattern, sir. I think you people got very clear clarity about this, right? Thank you.